Oh my god. Alright, this is like my old camera. I've not used this in so long. And the reason I'm using it is because my other camera that I normally use, you know, that one that I'm talking about, this may go out of focus at points, so I'm sorry. I'm used to my other camera just autofocusing. I don't know if this one necessarily does, but the screen completely came off. Like, here it is. Like, just look at that. Like, this literally completely separated. It's stuck in this, like this. If anybody knows if I can like repair this or something, please let me know. I may have bought a plan or something for it. I'm pretty sure I did, but yeah, I've just been reselling stuff recently. Got to sell these Supreme stickers. Got some stuff here, wallets and stuff. So if anybody's interested in any of that, let me know too in the comments. I'm not used to also holding this heavy of a camera, so my hand's a little shaky. But yeah, you know, basically in this video, what we're gonna be doing, I have not discussed it in so long, but I own like a decent amount of it. I haven't discussed Supreme in so long, but that's what we're gonna be discussing today in this video. Some fall winter 19 leaks. Just thought we'd maybe discuss it just because I stopped discussing it, but I want to talk about it again because I know that's what most of you are here for. So we're going to go over some leaks. I'm going to give my opinion, my thoughts on them, what maybe some resale potential, things like that. So subscribe if you want more of that, want to return to that, and drop a like in this video too. It's CV 100 like. Got some lyrical lemonade coming in, which I'm going to be giving away, that's I promised. So yeah, let's get started. Dude, this is so crazy. Like, just looking at all this is such an OG camera setup right here. Like, this whole entire camera, just in general, the mic and everything. Huge throwback for me, so this is awesome. But I do want to talk about the Supreme leak. Shout out to DVD HNT here, underscore. I'm gonna give him a shout out. You know, I usually notice when I did these videos, I never actually gave shout outs. So shout out to him, where I'm gonna get some of these leaks from, where I'm gonna be talking about some of them, and I'm giving my opinion on resale on most of them. So really, the first leak we want to discuss, this one I think I've gone over before. It's a Supreme and Swing Line stapler. I've just seen this one. It's basically a stapler that's gonna be red with the Supreme logo on it. I think it's cool, but like, dude, it's just a stapler. Like, it's about as, I still have to ship this. I promise the boxes are coming in soon, so like, I'm gonna get to your order soon. I'm pretty sure they come in tomorrow, but dude, it's about as useful as this item. What the f is the purpose of this? There isn't. There is no purpose. It's literally a water gun. There's like, what do you do with a water gun? Not much. You just shoot water. It's really like, there's a lot of things. I mean, this is just a stapler. I'm sure a lot of us hypebeasts need staplers. Yeah, you know, just something you need. No, but I'm really not going to give Supreme crap for this. I mean, I think the design's fine. It's what we expected. I mean, is this necessarily what it's exactly going to look like? I don't think so. This looks a little bit edited and just like sort of a mock-up. But yeah, we'll eventually get more information. This may be the real thing, but I don't know. I can't really tell. But either way, it's okay, but it's literally just a stapler, my guy. I'm not going to go crazy over it. All right, and the next hoodie that we got dropping right here is the Supreme studded collegiate collegiate hoodie. That's just really what it is. So this is going to be retailing at like 158 or 168, in between that, what most hoodies, what the hoodies have been retailing at. But basically, it's just a Supreme hoodie, but it spells out Supreme. Like, I'm looking at it, just spells out Supreme, but the thing is that's the actual stud, so it's like a studded hoodie. Get what's going on there, but it's really nothing crazy. Like, it's just, yeah, there's studs on it. I do like the different colors, like for each letter. I do think that's cool, so I shout out to them for doing that. I mean, that's pretty dope, but nothing too crazy really. Just, you know, Supreme doing their thing. It's a cool hoodie, and I actually messed with this. Like, fall winter 19, I'm looking at the leaks, and like the teaser was fire. Like, this was fire, with the denim artwork, you know. Oh, featuring the Smiths album. I'm not gonna front and pretend like I know who the Smiths are. I really am not that educated, but it does seem that people actually seem to like what Supreme is doing with this, for the most part. I mean, some of the other leaks that I'm about to get into, some people really hate, but you know, so far most of them are pretty decent, and some of the things that they've teased are pretty good. So yeah, this is fire, and good job. Okay, next up, this one, as you can tell, I haven't lost my passion for talking about Supreme at all. It's just, it got boring to talk about it like every single video. Couldn't tell, I got sick of that. Like, it literally was just so annoying to talk about it literally every video. But basically, I still love talking about it. And the next thing that we got going on right here, like, I mean, I still clearly love talking about it. Like, I still buy it, like, and sell stuff from it. But the next thing that we got here to talk about is the fact that we have Supreme Fall Winter 19 box logo hoodies coming. Don't have actual pictures, and I don't really have too much of an idea. When I do get any information, I'm gonna share it immediately with y'all. Even if I get it like 8 weeks in advance and somebody tells me, hey, you can't share this with anybody, I don't care, dude. I'm definitely going to be sharing it. Sorry to op myself like that. So if you got anything too exclusive, don't be sharing it with me, dude. It's gonna get posted. I mean, I just gotta do it for the people, you know, you feel me? That's just how it is. But yeah, you know, we're gonna have box logo hoodies coming for fall winter 19, some dope ones, I'm sure. I'm looking forward to see what Supreme's gonna pull together here, whether it's gonna be just a collaboration or regular style ones. I haven't really heard too much, but I don't think it's gonna be a collaboration hoodie because we just had the Swarovski, so they're not gonna do like back-to-back collabs, I'm pretty sure, on box logos. But yeah, we may have some fire coming, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, look forward to the box logos because those are probably gonna be dropping on week 2 or 16. probably, or no, week 4 or 16. I mean, we could have 2 this season. You never know. We may have like a store opening and something like that. I've heard things about San Francisco Supreme store and all that coming soon. So I don't really know too much, but just know there's box logos coming. Stay tuned for that resale because it's going to be solid. And hopefully my camera doesn't die before I finish talking about these, because these are special. I want to discuss these. We have whatever these sneakers are. Dude, Nike and Supreme. Why can't Supreme decide to use good sneaker models? I don't know. It's beyond them. Like, they used to do it. They don't do it anymore. They just use crappy sneaker models. And this just looks like a straight up bowling shoe. No offense to my bowler boys out there, all right? If you're a bowler boy out there, no offense, all right? Like, straight up. I mess with your bowling skills and all that. Like, it impresses me. Like, if you can bowl, like, several strikes in a row, blown away, all right? But these are literally clown shoes. These are for clowns. Like, I don't know what they're doing. Like, do I want to say this is gonna resell? No, they're not, so please don't look into it. Beyond me, dude. Honestly, what resells from Supreme now is a little hard to predict, but like, I don't see these having resell. Like, they're probably gonna be a lot of them, good stock, different colorways, but this red colorway and this sneaker right here, just this model's not cutting it. Like, it's a just typical Supreme sneaker, dude. It's literally so bad. Like, this is this type of stuff that made me not want to talk about Supreme, like, it just because it's so bad. Like, it is fun to talk about bad stuff and make fun of it all the time, but when it's literally like you're trying to find good stuff and all you can talk about is bad, it's hard to just come up with constant jokes, A, but then B, it just is like puts you in a mood to just talk about it. Fair enough, know what I mean? These are bad, have my opinion. You see I got a little tense about it. Let's roll that outro though. Anyways, it looks like my camera didn't die, but it's very close to, so if it dies during this outro, then, well, just say I called it, all right? Maybe I'm a little lucky. I'm not lucky. I don't want it to die. I want to keep talking. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want more Supreme videos, I may do some. I really don't think I'm not that interested. But if you guys want me to do some, like if this video does well, of course, I'll hit you guys with more. So go ahead and subscribe, show some love, drop a like. If this does 100 likes, then yeah, I'll try and deliver that or whatever. And yeah, you know, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think of the Fall Winter 19 leaks. I think it's pretty bad. Like, I think this is just, some of the stuff's pretty bad, but some of the stuff's also like not too bad. So like, it's not terrible, but it's just average, sort of what I'm looking at. Like, I'm just looking at Supreme season, just sort of just like, all right, we got some resale here, so let's make our money, and that's maybe some personals, you know. But that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm Tristan, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.